Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Calendar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Zoom account to your Google Calendar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Zoom to your Google Calendar anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe selling consulting, and you prefer to use Zoom over Google Meet, whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Calendar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Calendar, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link your Zoom account to your Google Calendar, here on the right side, you're going to click on this little plus icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the Google Workspace Marketplace, and you want to click into here, search apps, and just type in Zoom. Okay, once you do that, you want to look for the Zoom logo and then click on that little card. All right, once you do that, it's going to give you a little bit of information about the Zoom for Google Workplace. So go ahead and read through that. If you're okay with that, click on install. Okay, next you're going to see this little pop-up and click on continue. Okay, next Google asks if you want to go ahead and sign into your Zoom account with your Google or your Gmail. So go ahead and click on your Gmail. Okay, next Google lets you know that all of these permissions are required in order to link your Zoom to your Google Calendar. If you're okay with that, scroll to the bottom and then click on allow. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to see this: Zoom for Google Workspace has been installed. So let me click on done. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Zoom account to your Google Calendar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.